How to trade crypto for beginners. Surround yourself with experts and commit to the process. If you're a beginner, it's going to take about 12 months, maybe even 18 months to really get down and feeling like you know what you're doing, right? So give yourself some time. And then if you're interested in joining forces with me, collaborating with me, consider joining the IM Academy. That's why I'm doing these streams, because I'm looking for a handful of people who want to do this with me. It's an academy. It's an academy. We have over 200 different instructors in the whole academy, and we have live teachings every week. If you're a member of the academy, you get these two academies. You get these three, DCX, DCX, DCX. You get a lot of tons and tons of videos, and then every week we have teachers teach Sunday through Saturday. This is the schedule, and you have access to all these channels, all the interaction with the teachers and everything. And though you can ask questions as you go on, and so it's this is how I'm learning. And so as I'm getting ready to go to bed tonight, I'm just these videos are really all my fitness videos and all my digital trading videos are basically just documentation instead of just creating content. I'm actually just documenting my journey. So I'm just going to do a quick volume check, make sure my volume is good. Yep, volume is good. I got chat right here if anyone joins us. So I'm just going to real quick take a quick peek at show you what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to be real brief. I have an early appointment in the morning, but just wanted to give you a live update of Bitcoin. So if you care about Bitcoin and the Bitcoin market and all that, this is just a brief little update. Now I've kind of got this is on the 15-minute time frame, and I have Bitcoin what I call put into a box. And we're just putting it into a box, and I'm watching it right now. Right now, it just depends on, it doesn't matter. The thing with trading is, excuse me, one good thing about it, amongst many things, is that we can make money when the price goes up, and we can make money when the price goes down. So what I'm doing right now is I'm watching this, and I'm feeling like if we cross these two green bars right here on the screen, that we're going to get a little push up. That's currently my hope, because I'm not in a short right now. So I hope that, but if it goes the other way, if it breaks out of this and breaks below this purple bar and breaks down and even below this red bar, I mean, for sure, it's time to go short. We don't want to be too late. So I'd like to catch it. I'd probably even try to catch a short, probably right there. And see, that's the good thing about you learn how to find zones. Bitcoin travels to zones. It just travels to different zones. So, and this is it on the 15-minute time frame. So just real quick, I'm going to do a quick zoom out. This is on the daily time frame, right? It's on the daily time frame. It's on the 4-hour, so you get different looks at how super trend is. Now this is really interesting, because this is really what it's been doing for several days now, traveling right inside this zone right here. So I've been, all the traders have been watching that. The 1 hour, look at this. So you can see this is the high, this is the low of these last few days. Now, once you put all these markings, it's kind of like a crazy person's markings, but it's like art, so you're just the charts are kind of like a piece of art. So you're just trying to make it your own, and you're trying to figure out where is it going next. I've been following this chart for a few days. So where is it going next right now? Let's see. I'll tell you what, I like the way the 4-hour looks, the bigger time frame, because this is called an RSI, and see how this blue one is above the red one? That means, and it is a delayed indicator, meaning it's happened already in the past, but that's a positive sign. That's a positive sign. And then also too, when you look at the 15-minute time frame, look at this, another positive sign. +2 super trend is barely showing a green. It's trying to push up. So let's see what happens. I'm going to give it a chance, but I'm getting ready to turn in for the night. And just wanted to also leave you with Ethereum. We'll check that out real quick. For those that follow Ethereum, I'm accumulating it. I trade it when I can. I mainly trade Bitcoin because it seems to lead the charge on price. Ethereum, I just love accumulating Ethereum. I believe in its usage, and that possibly it's going to be even more returns on this than Bitcoin in the future. So just some things to think about. So that's basically it. So how to trade for beginners, surround yourself with experts. The links to join the academy is going to be inside the description of the video. You get all these different video trainings. Is like, I don't want to say 100 videos, but maybe 100 different, feels like it's 100 videos right there. And then you get all this live training every week, and you just give yourself time. You just give yourself time, and then before you know it, you'll be setting up your own zones and doing all kind of stuff. And Bitcoin and Ethereum is just really the scratch of the top of the surface. There's hundreds of other coins to trade and invest in, and lots of opportunity. And I really feel like over the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years, a lot of opportunity for a lot of us who want to take our cash that we're earning during the day, our hardworking income, and we want to put it somewhere where it can multiply. That's what we want to do. We want to multiply your money. We don't want to can't just sit on the money. We have to do something with it. It's kind of like that story of the gifts where the ruler of the house gave the 3 people gifts. Do you remember that? Remember that story? I'll let you go. We'll say goodnight. Basically, he had a talent, and that he had 3 different workers. Or I don't know if it was workers or kids, but he gave 5 talents to one. He gave 3 talents to one and 1 talent to one. And basically, the bottom line of it, when he came back after his trip, he asked the person with 5, "How did you do?" And he doubled his. He made 10. And then he asked the one with 3, "How did you do?" He tripled his and made it 9. And then he asked the one who got only 1. He said, "Well, I only had 1 talent, so I buried it in the backyard, and I didn't want anything to happen to it. So here it is. I have the talent." And so he says, "Well, take that talent and give it to the one who has the most talents, because that's not what he wanted." He says, basically, that's just, you did nothing with your talent. You hid it, right? So that's the thing, is we have to take our talents, our earnings, and we have to do something with it that's going to stimulate to grow. It's going to grow. It's going to bring value to the world, to people, to yourself, but to grow. And that's the thing. So I think that's something that inspired me. So I just thought I would pass that along. That sometimes maybe people think that investing in digital assets is risky. Well, my mentor says, everything is risky. Once you get out of the bed in the morning, that's risky. You get in your car, that's risky. So there's lots of risk. This is not really risk. We have lots of things to be afraid of. This is not something to be afraid of, but I'm embracing this. I encourage you to embrace it if it's something you've been thinking about getting into. It's coming. It's now I can't even tell you enough how this is really a great time to get involved right now. There's good times to get involved. You don't want to get involved with this 3 years from now, when this price of Bitcoin is 22,000 approximately right now. 3 years from now, what if it's up to 60,000? Then you're going to feel like you really got left behind. So we don't know. I'm not saying it's going to do that, but it's all kind of possibilities, lots of possibilities on the table, right? And so in +2 Ethereum, the possibilities of that, I keep hearing right now it's about 1,563. I keep hearing, 10,000, 15,000 in the future. So these are the things that's possible. So, and it's possible for you. So I just want you to know that. Have a great night. How to trade crypto for beginners. Learn, get involved, join with me in the academy. If you join the academy, we can collaborate together. So would love to have some more people to collaborate on this. So, all right, that's it for now. I'm going to head off to sleep, and I'll see you tomorrow. I think I'm going to do a live on, I posted earlier today some videos on the science of weight loss and fat burning. I'm probably going to do a live tomorrow, maybe address some questions. So if you have any questions about that, I'll be on the lookout for that. And we'll see you on the next lesson. Bye for now.